Hey guys, what's up? I have got this Vivo X200 Pro Mini. I think this model is amazing in X200 series. A lot of people are going to like it. There are four colors available and I have got these two beautiful colors. You can also buy from China. I will tell you everything how you can import from China. I will do camera testing, gaming, Antutu score, and I will tell you the price as well. Everything you should know before buy, I will do in this review. This is the box of the Vivo X200 Pro Mini. It's black with X200 Pro Mini written on it along with some text in Chinese. As I bought it in China, the Z's logo also highlights its contribution to the camera section. On the back, there's not much information, it just mentions the color and storage capacity. Inside the box, we get a Type-C charging cable, a Type-A charger with 90-watt fast charging, a silicone case that's decent in quality, user manuals, a SIM injector tool, and finally our device in green. The green color looks pretty nice. Now I will set everything aside and talk about this phone. The design of the X200 Pro is very similar to its big brother, the X200 Pro, and it's the same design that was seen in the X100. In terms of design, it's almost identical, but this time they introduced a mini version, which people really like. These two color options, pink and green, made it popular. The camera quality is excellent with a large ring on the back that holds the camera module. The color of the ring matches the body color. So if the phone is green, the ring is green, and if it's pink, then the ring is pink as well. The frame is made of matte aluminum with rounded corners, which gives a comfortable grip in the hand. It's also lightweight, under 190 grams, and has a fingerprint resistance coating. However, I notice it still picks up fingerprints quite easily, so you will need to clean it frequently because of the glass surface. Looking at the right side of the frame, you will find the volume rockers and power button. The top has only mics which are hidden, and there is one mic on the back camera module. On the bottom there is USB Type-C charging port and a dual SIM card slot. No option for a memory card. The speakers are outstanding. When I play audio, the vibration was strong and the sound was very clear. You should check out its sound quality yourself. The normal smartphone size is usually 6.7 or 6.8 inches, but the Vivo X200 Pro Mini has a size of 6.31 inches. If it were any smaller, it might feel too tiny, but it cannot compare the mini size of iPhone. I think this is an ideal size for a mini smartphone, making it lightweight and easy to hold with one hand. Another great thing about it is the very minimal bezels, which have two benefits. First, you can use the full display for photography, and second, it's great for gaming. The screen to body ratio is 94.4%, offering an immersive experience. It also comes with AMOLED panel with a 2.5K resolution of 1216 by 2614 pixels. One thing I didn't like is the placement of the fingerprint sensor. It's positioned too low. If it were a bit higher, closer to the center, it would be easier to use with one hand. Currently, when you hold it, your thumb has to reach all the way down, which can be awkward for unlocking. But it might comfort you that it is ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, upgraded over optical fingerprint sensor. The Vivo X200 Pro Mini has a 5700 mAh battery, which can charge to 70% in 30 minutes and fully charge in 48 minutes. It's surprising to see such a high Antutu score in a camera-focused smartphone. When I tested it, I got a score of 2,577,000, which is very high for a camera phone. It means you can use it not only for photography but also for gaming. It features the Dimensity 9400 chip, which is excellent, and it runs on Origin OS 5. I think Origin OS is way much better than FunTouch. They have also introduced an amazing AI application. Currently, I think its accuracy in Chinese is quite high, but when it launches in international market, they might update it for other languages. I tested it by sending an image and it accurately identified what was in the picture. I also asked it where am I and it checked my location and correctly told me I am in Guangzhou. You can circle any picture on the screen or take a picture or anything, send it, and ask what it is, and it responds very well. I think it's great that there is an AI app like it's included in a smartphone. The standard feature of the Vivo X200 Pro Mini is its Z supported camera system. It comes equipped with three lenses, all of which are 50 megapixel, a 50 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, which is very helpful for capturing wide landscape videos and photos, and a 50 megapixel telephoto camera with an impressive resolution and optical zoom. Personally, I am impressed by the macro photo quality, which offers exceptional clarity and detail. Now let me show you the camera settings to see what options are available in this amazing camera. Let me show you what is inside the cameras. You will have a snap which will be 1x until it can go 3x. And the second is landscape. It can be 0.6x till 100x. Next is portrait. This is portrait 23, 35, 50, 85, 100. These are the lenses and you can switch from here as well, such as you wanted such kind of lens 50 and it will switch automatically and it will change the color grading as well. And from front you will not get such kind of stuff, you will only have these filters. And in photos you will have some very good options such as macro. If you do macro, it zoom automatically 3x, and the super macro is very nice. I have tried already. And from front it's you will just only have filters and filters, what is that, beauty mode, and it can zoom in to 2x. From back, sorry, I forgot to mention that there is these three options: vivid, so change the colors, grading, and texture, and natural. Natural's like a little bit dull, and there is live photo as well. In video option you will have ultra stabilization. When you turn on ultra stabilization, it automatically switch from 4K to 2.8K 30 fps, or you can film at 60 fps. And when you turn off, it switch off 4K automatically. It can support 4K at 60 fps maximum and 30 fps 1080p 60 fps as well. And when you turn on HDR, it will only zoom in from 1x to 2x, and you can switch 4K 60 fps. When you turn on HDR, it will only give you this option, not much. And from front you will have 1080p 60 30 fps and 4K 30 and also 60 fps. Yeah, while recording video you can zoom in. Ooh. Portrait video, there is one more option, portrait video, which is I think very nice. You can make portrait videos. In front you will also have the backgrounds is very blurry, but it focus on the person in the video. And in the back it's also same for 1080p 30 fps. In more you will have some more options such as slow motion. In slow motion you can record 1080p 240 fps. And other stuff such as high resolution, ultra HD documents pro, panorama, and time lapse as well. Time lapse you can film 4K at 30 fps maximum. Yeah. Felt like nobody understood me. Yeah. Product of the city, kept it solid like it should be. Yeah. Chances I ain't never take, we never saw what it could be. No way, no way.
So many people call me fake, cause I took a step back. Hood baby took it farther than the south. I'm like, tell me where to go. Even in my high times, I be feeling low. Secrets deep inside, looking for answers, let me know. Pain in my eyes, vision blurry. Peace in my mind, don't worry. In need of direction. Tired of chasing perfection. Took a lot of L's on the road to redemption, and no exception. I need some clarity. Not begging for prosperity.
I'm recording this video from the front camera of Vivo X200 Pro Mini at 4K 30 FPS. It also supports 60 FPS, but now I'm just only recording at 30 FPS. This is the result from front camera. I'm just walking slowly. My hand is stable but not super stable because I don't have any gimbal, and the audio comes from directly from this smartphone. I'm not using any external microphone. And now I'm running. Yes, you can see the color of the clouds, and the sky is absolutely beautiful. Wow, pretty good. The sun comes and normal. I like the color balancing of the sky. Good. Now I'm recording a video from back camera of Vivo X200 Pro Mini. I'm using 0.6x ultra wide. You can see behind me it's very wide. This is 0.6x and at 4K 30 FPS. It also supports 4K 60 FPS. But if you wanted to turn on HDR, it does not support for 4K 30 FPS when you wanted to zoom in and zoom out. HDR, when you turn on HDR, it can just zoom in from 1x to 2x, but when you are using 4K 30 FPS normal one, you can zoom in from 0.6x to 15x maximum. And you also cannot turn on ultra stabilization. So when you turn on ultra stabilization, you can it only supports 2.8K and 30 and 60 FPS, but does not support 4K. This is the back camera quality result, and I have already turned on the voice enhancement. So the voice comes from this smartphone directly. This is 0.6x. You can switch to another lens, 0.6x to 1x. This is 2x, 3x and 10x, and after 10x you need to zoom in by your fingers till 15x. This is 15x, 3x, 10x and 15x. And let me show you one more thing. This is 0.6x ultra wide. Okay, so when you zoom in 1x, the colors changes. It look like this. This is 0.6 and I'm zooming slowly to 1x. I'm running right now and showing you the stabilization of this smartphone. This is 4K 30 FPS and 1x. I did not turn on ultra stabilization. So however, this is the result, the stabilization result.
The device is a Chinese variant, so it doesn't come with the Google Play Store pre-installed. However, I managed to download it and installed some apps like YouTube and PUBG. After opening PUBG, I will show you the available settings. In the graphic settings, we have a smooth mode and ultra extreme as the highest options. Balance mode, HD and HDR mode all with extreme highest. Ultra HDR modes goes up to ultra. Now I will play a game on high graphic settings to see how quickly the battery drains. Right now the battery is at 46% and I will play about 3 games and share the battery result with you. If you swipe left during the game, you will find game tools with options like a voice changer, 4D gaming vibration, background calls, call screen recording, and screenshot. There's also a performance panel with battery saver, balance mode, and boost mode. I will play in boost mode with the touch sampling rate set to high for smooth gameplay and see how it affects battery consumption. I played 3 games and the battery is still at 46% and it started at 46% and still there. Normally the battery would consume more with extended gameplay, but playing in ultra performance mode didn't drain it much. Alright guys, I will wrap up this video here. If you like this review, please consider to subscribe Mr. Laowai-English Tech for more tech content. Take care of yourself. Bye.